Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet these very simple flowers. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. The flowers I will crochet with the cotton yarn, but you can use any yarn. We need scissors, matching crochet hook and sewing needle. I start with the magic ring. And crochet 3 chain stitches. 3. Now in the ring 2 triple crochet, 1 and 2. Now chain 2, 2 and 5 triple crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again chain 2 and 5 triple crochet in the ring. We repeat that we have 4 sections with 5 triple crochet. I have 4 sections with 5 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now last section, chain 2, 2 triple crochet in the ring, 1, 2, and now pull yarn and close the ring. And here in this stitch I crocheted 1 slip stitch, and now we have 5 sections. This last section have 4 triple crochet and chain stitches from the beginning. Now second round, chain 1, and in every hole we crochet 9 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now in this middle triple crochet, it's this one, we crochet 1 single crochet. And again 9 triple crochet in the hole, and repeat to the end of round. And last triple crochet. And now in this middle stitch 1 slip stitch, cut yarn, pull yarn, and now pull yarn on the back side, and sew both yarn ends, and the flower is finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.